This is the elevator at Commerce Park Plaza in Beechwood, Ohio. This is an old 60s Dover. This one is illuminating on both the inside and the outside. And this one actually is inside. That's cool. Ground basement. Let's check it out. It's actually the first time I've seen those on the inside. That's pretty neat. Here at the basement. That's really cool. Those doors are rough and fast, but great. That button seems to be in the best condition. Here to go up. Here at 3. Oh, it's a little vibrant. It's a little more not too much. Whoa. Go back down to 1. Certificate. Apparently it's a Dover, except it isn't. Here's Big Brother, it's kind of strange. It's a basic red painted cab. The trim that holds it kind of loose. Here back at 1. Someone hit the up button. See? There goes nothing yet.